Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika, and this is Fanika TV. Remember, if you are not subscribed, guys, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So yes, guys, today I'm going to be doing a next river video, but I'm going to be going it's a place that most people in my community are scared of, but today, guys, I'm going to be showing you this mystical. It's, I would say it's full of a lot of mystery, and it kind of look like an old slave walkway, or even something even name so. But yes, guys, let's um oh yeah, I want to say thank you to everybody who commented on my video. You guys are loving my river videos. So yes, guys, I'm coming up with. So yes, guys, we're here at the part to go to this river, guys. Remember to subscribe. Don't be afraid to comment. Come along with me, guys. Um, let's go. Watch out, guys. Me kitten never follow me. That's great. They love follow me, you see. Hey, if nobody no love me. Yes, we continue. Make them go and come. Yes, dog, come. Go down back in your yard. Princess, go. Okay, she's still there. Go to my car.
All right, Ronald. Mm-hmm.
So yeah, guys, the tree drop down in a which part me that go bed. Always a spot here me like bed, but the tree drop down in there. So want to see this. Want to see tree. This. I will. They always call that rock here, mommy. Eh? They always call the one here when we are little picnic. Say look like people man face. Ah, yeah, guys. So we're still on the path. We just want to see how beautiful and mysterious around here look. But how I spot where tree dropping and me want go over here. I never want to be hey guys, pretty blue owl. Yeah, hey guys, wanna see that? Pretty, pretty. Camera not even a give no justice. Guys, I want to see say the past go we see how far we go. But me not go. Guys, me not go in that water too far. Alright, just so we have people used to swim from this. Me not go in the kind of deeper. No, mommy. You know, look deeper. You know, the water cooler. Woo! Are we around moon or them can? Mm-hmm. So we are good people. So woo! Woo! Hey guys, round here so for big swimmers, you know? People who want to swim. I'm not afraid of dark water. I want to come up with it. So much bamboo. Bamboo if you want take your house, you're good to go. Woo! The thing about it. One party we have water. Ooh guys, I'm cool. So what? Yeah, let me see if we can take a choke off. Say choke off. Choke off, Erica, choke off. Choke off, choke off. Woo! Guys, comment in the comment section if you think if you do a choke off, right? Alright, choke off. Fanica TV. Woo! Woo! You can't find me. Hi guys, so finished beer and we're gonna head back home now because as we say, around here so it's a little bit lonely. So I'm now go to carry. Press the you see them so wait, wait. So yeah guys, we finish wash your ear and something. I'm wet. But